Hello people, I wanted to talk about MyPaint because you can also use this for painting, digital painting. Also it is free of charge application, and this has a large possibility. I published last video tutorial back to 2020, 2021. Today I got something interesting for you. How to use shortcut keyboards, because I assigned some of the shortcut keyboards on my keyboard S. I use the rotate view, so I can use keyboard button S, but today I will show you how to assign shortcut keyboards. Some of them are inactive, so when I press W on my keyboard nothing happens. That means that we can use W to rotate canvas, but I will show you how to do that now. Edit, Preferences, Keys. I think Move. How is this called? Panel View. So we have to go to Edit, Preferences, Keys. I believe Panel View is here. You have to double click here and on your keyboard press W. Now we have assigned W. So I can use W to rotate my viewport. When I press button S on my keyboard, I can rotate canvas. Why I am showing you this? Because that will speed things up. I was thinking to assign this zoom view, because I don't know if I can use Alt and right mouse button. That would be like in Blender. Zoom view. Alt and right mouse button. I think in that case this should work or not. Now we have to choose maybe right mouse button. Nothing happens. I think you can only use symbols. Letters, unfortunately, but if you have a good memory, what a combination of letters are, you can quickly use alphabet letters when you assign the, for example, Q is zoom in, zoom out, right mouse button. Oh no, I shouldn't have done this. I think this was only panel view. What I did, I assigned the same shortcut keyboard. No, I think it's okay. I forgotten to deselect this. But oh, I didn't know you can also move and zoom in viewport at the same time. I use the panel view on my right mouse button. Okay, what I can show you, what is this? This is quite interesting. I wish I could do that like in Blender, to use proper shortcut keyboards. I have to scroll, I have to use mouse. I can see Shift Control S, save as, what we got here. I think Alt button, I think Alt button also works, but I don't know how to activate this. But after when I showed to you, you should be able to change shortcut keywords. Okay, I also was thinking to check if I can assign a shortcut keyboard for option called merge visible layers. I have to check because that would be a big improvement. That would speed up your workflow. Okay, we will go to Edit, Preferences, Merge Visible Layers. I believe this option should be here. If not... Oh yes, we have got this. Merge Visible Layers. I think I will have to check if button M on my keyboard. Unfortunately, I shouldn't move canvas. I think this is for moving canvas reposition layer. So in this case, I will have to remove a shortcut keyboard. Edit preferences, reposition layer. Oh yes, you can get rid of this. We remove that shortcut keyboard, and now we will assign merge visible layers shortcut keyboard, delete, and we will press on our keyboard letter M. Okay, I will check if this works. This works, okay. So I use the shortcut keyboard instead to show you that it is possible to assign keyboard shortcuts. In Krita, you do this a different way in application Krita. I hope you like my video tutorial because now everything seems to be working faster and I don't have to drag my mouse button above each icon. I can use keyboard shortcuts because this seems to be much quicker for me. I hope you like my video tutorial. I was painting lady from image reference from one of the blueprints which I downloaded. I haven't finished yet, but I like brush engines. They seem to be much better than in Krita application. See you guys.